Mool.ai is a new AI software that's just been released, and if you're curious about it, you've come to the right place. In this Mool.ai review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. Stick with me, and by the end, you'll know exactly whether Mool.ai is worth your time and how it stands out from other AI tools on the market. Let's jump right in. First off, Mool.ai promises to streamline your digital marketing efforts, and I've got to say, it lives up to that promise. If you're into automating your online marketing or looking for an all-in-one platform that helps with everything from customer outreach to content creation, this software is definitely one to check out. One of the coolest features is how Mool.ai integrates machine learning to optimize campaigns. It automatically learns from your audience's behavior and adjusts your content in real time, ensuring that you get the most effective ads running for your business. This feature alone can save you hours of trial and error with manual adjustments. Next, it's designed with user-friendliness in mind. If you've been using AI tools that seem more complicated than they're worth, Mool.ai could be a breath of fresh air. The interface is clean, intuitive, and most importantly, easy to navigate. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started, which is perfect for business owners who just want results without the learning curve. Mool.ai also offers powerful insights through its analytics dashboard. This is a big win for anyone who wants to understand the performance of their marketing campaigns. You get detailed reports that break down everything from engagement rates to conversion stats. This data is not only useful for reporting, but helps you make smarter decisions moving forward. Another major benefit is how quickly it integrates with your existing tools. Whether you're using Google Ads, Facebook Ads, or even a content management system, Mool.ai syncs seamlessly with most platforms. The setup process is quick, which means you're not wasting time trying to get everything to work together. Mool.ai doesn't just cater to big businesses, it's also scalable for small business owners who are looking to get the most out of their marketing dollars. Its pricing is flexible and affordable, meaning you won't be paying for features you don't need. If you're just starting out or on a tight budget, this is something that will work within your means. Of course, no software is perfect, and Mool.ai isn't without its downsides. While the software is powerful, it might be overkill if your needs are limited to just basic marketing tasks. But for anyone looking to level up their campaigns with advanced features, it's definitely worth exploring. Lastly, Mool.ai is offering a free trial for new users. This is a great way to test it out and see if it works for you. No strings attached. You can try the software for free from the first link in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to see how this cutting-edge AI tool can change your marketing game. To wrap up, I've tested thousands of AI software tools, and Mool.ai stands out because of its user-friendly design, powerful automation, and valuable insights. If you're serious about digital marketing and want to get ahead of the competition, give it a try. You can find my recommended AI tools in the description below, where I've shared the ones I trust after thorough testing. So, if you want to level up your business, click the first link below and start your free trial with Mool.ai now. You won't regret it.